Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rosa. I live on Senegal Island, which is located in the middle of the Atlantic. It's part of 9 islands that make up the Azores. I love to bring you guys on my journey and share what it's like living on a small island. Anyways, in today's video, I am not cooking. My friend is cooking. He has a Thermomix. In Portuguese, it's called bimbi. And it's technically a cooking robot, and it's actually pretty useful, pretty fun. I've never thought about buying one, but after seeing it in action, it actually looks really useful. So maybe it's something for the future. We started off by making lemonade. Actually, I didn't do anything. He and his boyfriend were the cooks. I was just filming. So yes, they made us lemonade. And then after they made us galinha Espanhola, chicken or Spanish chicken. You can find on the app so many different recipes, and you can even make your own. If you have the Thermomix, you can make your own recipes and put it on the app. I think it's so cool, and it's easy when you don't know what to make. You can just go look on the app. It's also something that helps in eating healthy. If you are interested in recipes, Portuguese recipes, normal recipes, there is a person here on YouTube that I follow, and she uses the Thermomix all the time, every day. Her name is Rita Carduz, and I think her channel is called Cooking with Rita Carduz. I'll link her channel in the description of my video. But yeah, I think this robot is pretty interesting, and it does just make a lot of things easier when it comes to cooking. I always would justify that I didn't need this because I enjoy cooking and I enjoy the steps of cooking. But let's be honest, on a day where I'm really tired, I think that this cooking robot could be really useful because I don't have to think much about when I'm cooking. So yeah, maybe I will get this in the future. Who knows? Anyways, we have started on the chicken. Now, this Thermomix, it tells you what to do step by step. So as you add in the ingredients, you click on next, or in Portuguese it's seguinte, and it will show up your next step. So if you don't know how to cook, this is great. I mean, like, it helps people step by step throughout the recipe, and it's almost impossible to mess up a recipe this way. There is another channel. Most of you have come from her channel, or some of you have come from her channel because she once talked about me on her channel. She's Portuguese. She also uses the Thermomix a lot in her videos, so I'll link her channel in the description box below as well. Her name is Fatima, and her channel name is Love Your Lifestyle. And she has a lot of great recipes too that you can use in the Thermomix. I usually watch her videos. She does speak in Portuguese in them, so if you're not Portuguese, you may not understand it, but I really like watching her videos, and I know most of you are Portuguese. So anyways, I know that this Thermomix has so many different recipes, from beverages to dinner, lunch, and desserts, even desserts. And even if you don't have a Thermomix, I know a lot of the recipes you can just adapt to making them manual. But yeah, I think the Thermomix is really interesting, and it's worth researching and thinking about getting, especially if you have kids, because I think this saves a lot of time. It does a lot for you, like just the fact that you don't have to dice an onion or mince a garlic. That saves time. So it's just something to think about for the future. I'm totally not sponsored by Thermomix. I wish. But yeah, just thought this would be an interesting video to throw out there and see something different in the kitchen. Do any of you own a Thermomix / bimbi? Do any of you own one, and what are your thoughts on it? Is it worth it? I know it's an investment. do you use it a lot? I know a lot of people who have it actually use it every day. Now, I'm wondering if it is actually worth it for me because I do enjoy cooking, and I think that each step is very calming. Sometimes, except when I'm really tired and I don't want to do it. But what do you think on it? What are your thoughts if you have it? Let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever thought about buying it if you don't have it? Have you ever even heard of it? I've heard of this. I've known of this for maybe 5 years, and Luis really wanted to get it. And I told him we didn't need it, but now I'm starting to think otherwise. What really makes me think a lot about this is that it can help you um, get recipes perfect, those difficult ones that are like really hard to perfect or to even get it to taste good or look good. This actually really helps you perfect those recipes. So that's something to think about. Like, especially around the holidays, we are rushing to make lots of desserts for Christmas dinners, Thanksgiving dinners. This looks like it can really help. So, like I said, I'm really, really thinking about it. I will leave the recipes that we used in this video also in the description box. If you don't know, I leave a lot of things in the description box below, like my Instagram channel. I leave all the links to videos I talk about in the current video, so don't forget to check out the description box below after watching my videos. There's a lot of information in there if you're curious. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss future videos. Also, if you do have an Instagram account, I'm not sure if you're aware, but I do have an Instagram account where I do actually share there almost daily, not every day, but I'm pretty active on that account, so we can always talk through Instagram. So don't forget to go check out my Instagram page. It's called Life with Rosie 03 because I couldn't get my actual name, just Life with Rosie. Someone already had that account name. But yeah, go check out my Instagram. I'm going to end off this video because it is almost ending, and so I'm going to say goodbye. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, like always. Don't forget to hit the like button. It really supports my channel. I love chatting with you guys down in the comments, so please say hi. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I've already told you to subscribe if you're not already. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any future videos. And I really hope to see you guys next time. Bye! I cannot leave this video without thanking Pedro and João for letting me film their arms and hands and their Thermomix. Muito obrigada, meus amigos. You guys are so kind. And the food turned out completely delicious. I also show Portuguese white cheese made from milk, cow milk, served with pimenta moída as a entree before we had our lunch with some bread. It was delicious. Everything was delicious. They made me an amazing meal. So thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.